Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the Cali Raised LED fog light replacement kit for the 2014 and up Toyota Tundra. So the first step to installing this kit is removing this housing. It's real simple. There's nothing holding it on from the back, so all we're going to do is use a little pick to pry it out. We have this little flathead screwdriver here. We're going to hold a piece of cardboard right above it just so we don't scratch the bumper, and we're going to insert the flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to go like that. And then the whole housing will come out of the truck like so. You got to reach in and disconnect the plug. So we're going to go in here and disconnect it. And then it'll all come right out. So our fog light replacement kit is a complete direct replacement. So you're not going to be using any of the factory fog light. You're just going to be using the factory wiring with our wiring harness we provide. So now we're going to start installing the fog light mount. So the second part of this install, we're going to have to remove this inner fender piece. So it's really simple. Basically, there is two clips right here on the corner of the bumper, one there, and then you're going to have a bolt underneath with a screw and then another one at the end. There's one that is not removed, and it's the one closer to the end. And then you have one of the Toyota clips here at up on the frame right there. You got to get something under, lift it so it'll come off. So that's just how we're going to get this inner fender piece out. And then you just got to kind of pull it back from there and the whole piece will pop out. So we got to get that pulled out so we can reach in when we're installing our fog light mount and also to tighten all the bolts and everything. So just get that done and then we can go about installing the fog light replacement bracket. So now we got everything ready. We got the LED pod mounted in the fog light bracket. For this install, we're going with our 18 watt amber pod, really good for dusty conditions, fog, snow, stuff like that. So also what we have here is our H11 connector. So this allows us to plug the LED pod right into the actual fog light wiring, so it operates off the same switch as you had your OEM fog lights. So we're going to tuck this back so we can connect it, and all we have to do here is put the little tab up like that, and then the mount just slides nicely into the location. Like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our hardware that was provided with the kit. We're going to use our little bolt with a washer, and then we're going to drop it through, and then we're going to use the bolt or the nut in the other washer. So we're going to come from the back side here and place it in, and then we're going to start tightening the bolt. After we tighten the bolt and plug in the fog light plugs, we can then reinstall the factory inner fender liner, and we're all good with the install.